Hi, welcome to the sale. Okay, so today here I'm showing you a one bedroom apartment. Okay, so this room is situated just right across the Marina Bay. Okay, as you can see, Marina Bay Sand is over there, and you have a partial bay view over here. Okay, opposite is the Marina Bay Financial Center. Okay, and behind the sea, across the sea, that is Indonesia. Okay, and right over here in this room, we've got very good curtains by Drape Studio. So there is both the day and the night curtain. Okay, so you will not get sunlight into your room if you open up both the curtains. Okay, so this is a brand new renovated unit. Okay, so you are going to be the first tenant that is moving in. Okay, beautiful lights, huge storage area, and a queen bed over here. Okay, so let's head on over to the kitchen area. Okay, over here, as you come, as you walk inside, you will have another cupboard, where you can place your belongings, you can place your shoes. And over here, this is the kitchen. Okay, so all brand new. Okay, here you can do your cooking, you can do your washing. Okay, there's going to be a refrigerator over here. Okay, and this is going to be in place of a table, a dining table. Okay, and over here, this is the washroom. Okay, so everything is brand new. Okay, the toilet bowl, the shower heads, the walls, the floors, everything is brand new. Okay, so let's take a look outside over here. Okay, this over outside at the corridor area, there is going to be a place, extra place for you to be able to place your shoes. Okay, and over here you see why is there a corridor? Okay, because this is a dual key unit. Okay, so as you come into the main door, there's two units. Okay, one to the left, one to the right. Okay, so you're going to get privacy. Okay, you have your own door, your own lock. Okay, so hope you enjoy it and see you soon.